In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1300 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear. And once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. In a few moments, you will be redirected to the Chrome browser itself. Please wait until everything are set here before you proceed, okay? So please use the search bar here and type for HP space Universal Printing PCL 6 and click the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result, okay? So please proceed to the first result. And you will be directed to this kind of window. All you need to do is you need to scroll down. Okay, please scroll down on the list of the option. And there you can see the driver universal printer driver. Please select on this one, which is HP Universal Printer Driver for Windows PCL6. Click on this download option. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not, please click on it. Once done, please move that to the desktop. Okay, and you can see a zip file, and we need to unzip it. So there are two ways on how to unzip it. It could be you need to double tap to it and unzip the file, or you can simply make a right click on this window would appear. From here, please navigate to the second to the last option where you can see a WinRAR tool and go with extract to. So the moment you click on it, it will now start in the extraction. Please wait until it would be done. Once done, a new file folder would be created, meaning we have successfully extracted it. Then this is the time that we need to bring up our settings. So by that, please navigate to the button search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, the best match would appear. Please click on open to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Here, please navigate to the left side where you can see Bluetooth and devices and select for printers and scanners. And there you can see an option which is being highlighted into blue one, add a device. Click on it. So the printer that I want is enlisted. Click on add manually so that we can manually add our printer driver and select for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and click on next. And here it will ask you to choose your printer port. If you have HP port, you can select it, or you can select among of the three USB port. It could be 001, 2, or 3. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Click on next. Go with have disk. And here you need to click on browse. And since our extracted file is being located at the desktop, then we need to navigate to the desktop and scroll down on the list, double tap to it. Okay, and it will show you all the driver. Okay, just select any of the driver or you can simply proceed to the driver. Okay, just double tap. If no item match the result, click on this down arrow key and select again the extracted file and select any of this. Again, select any of this. Once you're good, click on OK and select this one, which is HP Universal Printing PCL6 version 7.6.0. Then click on next and please rename the file. Okay, so you can rename that into HP 1300. Then click on next and it will now start in the installation. We just have to wait until this process would be done. Okay, so please allow for printer sharing. So click on next and go with finish. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP 1300 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.